enough more with them. Right, so.
Yes, guys, Linstead Market. Local Linstead Market. Earl still there?
Y'all going there?
Yeah. So yes guys, me I go check my cousin Earl. And yes, I was at Eagle, I like them too, so you know. Yeah, I used to do buy and sell stuff all the time. And these are the taxi heading from Yorkton to Linstead, coming down in a row, in a line, you know. Yeah, Linstead Market's about 4 or 5 o'clock now. Yeah, we have to get away from the music, no music. So this is Linstead Market, guys. Yeah, we have to stay apart from the music, you know, because YouTube no want no music. This is the market. What you say?
Oh, we are talking. Remember who?
Earl.
Family. I went to drop in a place.
Last night, yesterday.
Yesterday? You were not dropping a place and
No.
But I know why Uncle don't want to cover Jamaica and him have PayPal.
And me I go on videos, something on YouTube. So what you have for sale now?
Yeah?
What you have?
Well, as usual, I'm look hustling, you know.
Yeah, man. Me know you always a hustle.
As we are hustling.
Yeah, man.
The funny girl.
And this is my cousin Earl, so big up to Earl.
Alright.
Come support when you come to Linstead. Yeah.
Cause
me I walk with her up the road and down the road. Alright, so go and take our video. Or something. Alright, come.
So see you. Yeah.
I hear you say, Mrs. gone left us.
When that?
Mirrors. You know, you said to Mrs. Stan, Uncle, me Auntie Mrs. Stan last week Monday.
Yeah, last week Monday.
Yeah. I wish to actually. What are you at?
No, they may have her one home. Our funeral like 8 people. Then we are church, they are Magua. Yeah. So in an hour and in a little hand. So we have to work with them and we have to walk back on them. Hey!
So yes guys, this is Linstead Market, Linstead Aki, you know, Linstead Callaloo, when you buy it in the can. Me used to sell them the road there.
Sweet potato 100 general. Bless it bro, bless up. That is 200 minutes.
Going through Linstead Market, Linstead Town, Linstead the street, the market down there so. So yes, peeps, this is what's going on here at Linstead. People selling on the street side and stuff like that.
You have sellers, you have buyers.
Yeah, sellers and buyers all mixed up. I used to be out here selling myself, you know. I used to walk all the time and sell like these people. Yeah. So yes guys, we are walking out of the crowd. And this man is selling plastic. So yes guys, we are walking up the top out of the crowd. Where you go, Diane? Yes guys, we have to go down here. So walk out and nice guy, you know, YouTube go. YouTube now want no music in a them place. You know. Here. Got some comfy do